welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a foraging box for parrots. Alphonse, why are you shaking your head? You don't want a foraging box? Okay, so in this foraging box we are going to be putting things that Alphonse likes. I'm gonna start putting some items in that usually Alphonse likes. I'm gonna also cut these edges out so that it'll look a little bit cleaner. Use a box that your parrot can use to destroy, like either cardboard or paper or anything else that is not going to be toxic to them, because you want them to be able to use the entire box. I'm gonna cut the top off as well. Okay, so now we're going to put some items that he likes playing with. So like, he likes these finger traps, so I stick a few in there. He's played with these ones already. And then I have some, these are yucca. He really likes yucca. I'll stick some in here. And then afterwards, when you're done, you can put some food in here. This is some kind of grass. You can see he's chewed them up too. And hide some in here. I'm not sure what this one is, but we bought it at the bird store. It's another kind of chew toy. He likes these stars, so we put them in here too. Put a little ball in here. Some more. Oh, Alphonse is here. Some more yucca. Are we already playing with it? I'm not done with it yet. I'm not done with it yet. Okay, you can play with it. You want to play with this one? Here you go. Okay, then we have that. A little bit more yucca. He really likes mahogany pods, but we ran out. Oh, I have one mahogany pod. We'll stick that in the middle. I gotta dig for that one, Alphonse. And then once you're done building the box, you can put food in there. I just take some and then hide them in there so that he has to go digging through them. You can also stick them in his toys too, like these ones. You can stick them in so that he has to work a little harder for them. Oh, are we trying already? Here, I know you like these corns. Let me hide them. Let me hide the corn. Let me hide the corn. There you go. You gotta find it. What? Because I didn't give it to you? You gotta find it, Alpha. You like it? You like the box? What? You can't find the food? You see a birdie outside the window? Yeah. So that's it for the video. Please subscribe, like the video if you like this content. Please let me know what kind of other content you would like to see, and I will try to create some new videos around that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.